Have you ever wondered why a staggering 70% of successful side hustlers start making money long before they ever build a significant following? It seems counterintuitive in an age obsessed with likes, shares, and subscriber counts. But the answer is surprisingly simple. And it's the core principle we're diving into today. It's because they sell value first and chase followers later. They understand that income isn't tied to popularity, it's tied to solving problems. While everyone else is trying to go viral, these entrepreneurs are quietly building profitable systems by delivering tangible solutions to people who are actively looking for them. They've cracked the code on generating revenue from scratch, without an audience. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. We're going to break down 5 powerful, real-world hacks that you can start implementing this week to make money online with 0 followers. We'll cover selling microservices, creating simple digital products, leveraging affiliate marketing, flipping digital assets, and offering your expertise directly. So, let's get into it. Hack number 1 is to sell microservices on platforms like Fiverr. This is the fastest way to turn a skill into cash. A microservice is a small, well-defined task that you can complete for a fixed price. Think things like designing a simple logo, writing 500 words of blog content, editing a short podcast intro, or creating a single social media graphic. The key here is micro. You're not signing up for a massive months-long project. You're offering a quick, valuable, and easily deliverable service. To get started, go to Fiverr and create a seller profile. The most critical step is to niche down. Don't just say, "I'm a writer." Instead, offer, "I will write SEO-optimized product descriptions for Shopify stores." Don't just be a designer. Be the person who will design 5 engaging Instagram story templates in Canva. Specificity attracts buyers who know exactly what they need. Price your initial gig competitively, maybe around $10 or $15, to get your first few reviews. Positive feedback is your currency on these platforms. A common pitfall is creating a gig that's too broad or takes too long to complete for the price. Remember, this is about quick wins. Your goal is to complete a gig in an hour or 2. As you get more reviews, you can increase your prices and offer more premium packages. For more complex projects, you can graduate to a platform like Upwork, where you can find repeat clients and build longer-term relationships. The beauty of this hack is that the platforms bring the clients to you. Your job is simply to offer a clear, valuable service and deliver it exceptionally well. Now for hack number 2, create and sell simple digital products on a platform like Gumroad. This is where you start building assets that can generate passive income. Unlike a service, you create a digital product once, and you can sell it an infinite number of times. The best part, you don't need to be a world-class expert, you just need to be one step ahead of someone else. Think about what you've already figured out. Did you create a killer Notion dashboard to organize your life? Turn that into a template. Have you perfected a set of Lightroom presets for your photos? Package them up and sell them. Maybe you've built a detailed spreadsheet to track your budget or your fitness goals. That's a product. Other great ideas include simple website templates, social media graphic packs, or short practical ebooks on a niche topic you know well. Platforms like Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy make this incredibly easy. You can set up a simple, beautiful storefront in minutes, upload your file, set a price, and you're live. A quick win here is to price your first product affordably, somewhere between $5 and $25, to encourage impulse buys. The biggest mistake people make is overthinking it. They try to create the perfect, all-encompassing product. Instead, focus on solving one small, specific problem. Your first product won't be your last. The goal is to get something out there, learn from the process, and build from there. This is a true set-it-and-forget-it model, where automation does the heavy lifting for you. Hack number 3 is affiliate marketing, but with a strategic twist for people with no audience. Forget spamming links everywhere. We're going to focus on creating niche guides and sharing them in targeted communities. Affiliate marketing is simply earning a commission for recommending another company's product or service. Your job is to be the helpful, trusted bridge between a person with a problem and the product that solves it. Here's the step-by-step. First, identify a niche you know something about. It could be home coffee brewing, minimalist travel, or even software for small businesses. Second, find products in that niche with affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, but many software companies and online stores have their own programs. Third, and this is the crucial part, create a genuinely helpful piece of content. This could be a blog post, a PDF guide, or even a detailed forum post titled The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Pour Over Coffee, or My Top 5 Software Tools for Freelance Writers. Within your guide, you'll naturally link to the products you recommend, using your unique affiliate links. Now, where do you share this? You go to the places where your target audience already hangs out. Post your guide in relevant Reddit communities, like r/r Coffee or r/r Freelance. Share it in niche Facebook groups or on forums dedicated to your topic. The key is to lead with value. You're not just dropping a link, you're providing a comprehensive resource. People will appreciate the effort, trust your recommendations, and be more likely to click and buy. This method turns you into a micro-influencer within a specific community, no followers required. Let's move on to hack number 4, flipping digital assets for profit. This is like real estate for the digital world. You buy undervalued assets, add a little value, or just wait for the right buyer, and sell them for a higher price. The two best entry points for this are domain names and simple websites. Let's start with domains. You can use marketplaces like GoDaddy Auctions or Namecheap Marketplace to find expiring or for-sale domain names. The trick is to look for names that are brandable, easy to remember, and relevant to a growing industry. Think two-word combinations like solarvista.com or ketokitchen.co. You might buy a domain for $20 and list it for sale for $250. It's a numbers game, and not every domain will sell, but even 1 or 2 successful flips can result in a significant return on your investment. Flipping websites is a bit more involved, but can be even more profitable. You can use a marketplace like Flippa to find websites that are making a small amount of money, or even no money at all, but have potential. For example, you might find a simple blog about gardening for $100. You could spend a weekend giving it a modern design refresh, optimizing a few articles for SEO, and adding some affiliate links. Then, you can relist it on the marketplace for $500. You're not building a massive business. You're doing a quick renovation and flipping it for a profit. The proof is in the numbers. Quick resale profits are very real in this space if you know what to look for. Finally, we have hack number 5. Offer paid one-on-one calls or audits. This is the ultimate way to monetize your expertise directly, without needing any products or platforms in between. People will pay for clarity and personalized advice. If you have experience in any field, marketing, design, fitness, career coaching, anything, you have a service to offer. You can use a tool like Calendly to set up a booking page. It integrates with your calendar and payment processors like Stripe or PayPal, making the whole process seamless. You can offer a 30-minute strategy session or a 60-minute website teardown. Another powerful option is to sell fixed-price audits. For example, you could offer a LinkedIn profile audit for $99. The client sends you their profile link, and you send back a 5-page PDF or a 10-minute Loom video with actionable feedback and suggestions. This is great because it has a clear deliverable and a fixed time commitment for you. The key to making this work without an audience is to proactively find your first few clients. You can join relevant online communities and offer helpful advice for free. When someone has a more complex question, you can privately message them and say, "I'd be happy to dive deeper on a one-on-one call. Here's my booking link if you're interested." You're not selling clout, you're selling your expertise, one person at a time. Now, the real magic happens when you start stacking these strategies. You don't have to just pick one. Imagine this. You start by offering microservices on Fiverr for Shopify product descriptions. Hack 1. After working with a few clients, you notice they all struggle with the same things. So, you create a Shopify SEO checklist and sell it on Gumroad. Hack 2. In that checklist, you include affiliate links to your favorite Shopify apps. Hack 3. Then, you offer a one-on-one Shopify store audit for personalized feedback. Hack 5. See how they all feed into each other? You're creating a value ladder that allows people to engage with you at different price points, all while building multiple streams of income. But none of this works if you don't track your results. You need to know what's working and what's not. Create a simple spreadsheet, track your monthly income from Fiverr, track your Gumroad sales, track your affiliate clicks and commissions. At the end of each week, spend 30 minutes reviewing the data. Which gig is getting the most orders? Which digital product is selling best? Double down on what's working. If your Notion templates are selling 10 times more than your presets, make more Notion templates. If one affiliate guide is driving 80% of your commissions, find similar communities to share it in. This data-driven approach is how you scale from your first dollar to a consistent income stream. Remember the core principle: small proof beats a big promise. Don't wait until you have 10,000 followers to start. Your first dollar earned from a Fiverr gig is the proof. Your first Gumroad sale is the proof. That first affiliate commission, no matter how small, is the proof that you can create value that people are willing to pay for. The path to making money online isn't about becoming famous. It's about being useful. Pick one of these 5 hacks, just one, and commit to launching it this week. Create that Fiverr gig. Outline that digital product. Find that affiliate program. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and you have nothing to lose. Start today.